thunderstorm warning for Perry County in south central Illinois, northern Jackson County, Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Steelaville, or 10 miles southwest of Sparta, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include DuQuoin, Pinckneyville, Elkville, Ava, Tamaroa, Willisville, Cutler, Dowell, Campbell Hill, Vergennes, and St. John's. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Perry,